Just spent about 2 hours mulching. This is kind of a problem section in one of the plots at the place where we volunteer. It is very, very narrow and it's very dry throughout the summer. I recently bought a bunch of drought-tolerant perennials for this area and a bunch of fast-growing annuals to fill in the space in the meantime in the color theme that we're going for. And so far, so good. The mulch is going to help them stay moist for longer. Everything looks so nice. These are chives right here. This is the Stand By Me clematis and the gomphrena. This I just planted. These are the 3 sea thrift and a bud. And this narrow flower bed really looks good. I love the blues. But look how crazy these had just bloomed within the last hour or so. The new annuals and perennials are planted among the alyssum I planted a week before. These are the blue sky supertunias. They should fill in the whole space. And this is creeping phlox and the echinacea. I planted these 3 edelweiss about a week ago with the alyssum. And this right here is the dahlia. 1, 2, and a third, which is about to bloom. And finally we have the catmint, the nepeta. It's going to create a beautiful mound of whimsy that will flow in the wind and come back year after year. This place is really coming along. I'm so excited, and the mulch makes the flower colors pop.